Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to show your posts to everyone in X. If you're looking to expand your reach and share your content with a wider audience, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will navigate you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Audience and Tagging. This option enables you to control who can see your posts. Step 7. Disable the Protect Your Posts setting. By disabling this option, you allow your posts to be visible to everyone on X, expanding your content's reach. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your X settings to show your posts to everyone, allowing you to share your content with a wider audience. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be filled with expanded reach and engagement.